Here we learn about how to set up React app in to do folder. First we go to cd to do, or here we simply execute a command npx create react app name. App name basically to do, we here app name basically used in lowercase. We cannot start with uppercase letter. It is a React name phenomena. npx create react app name. Why? It is basically take 2 to 3 minutes to set up a React app. Here we can see here package.json file. Basically here create a package.json for all the dependency and project information, name, version, private, and basically when install all the react dom, react script, all the dependencies are showing here in package.json file. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then we are able to see all the dependencies and other things. Package folder structure. Simple, we execute one command npx create react app name and executing all the things, and after installing react app, here is set up a node modules. Node module is basically a folder which holds all the dependencies in the node modules folder. It is basically a big folder. Install, here is the project structure are created. Public folder, src folder. In src folder there are two file, app.js and index.js. Index.js all the react dom create a root and render. And first we where we want to render in root basically in public index.html. This is a root here all the dependency are showing here in src folder app.js. This is a basically a simple react image src showing. And after installing and set up all the folder structure, we basically write here go to cd folder and basically write npm start. It is executing npm start, and here is showing this is basically create react app name. Here is showing. I'm saying about npm start in package.json. Here is the start. You execute the react script start. This is the basic of the create react app name.